Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the special tutorial. This we are going to discuss the Ensemble, where it's come under the topic of software engineering here. Ensemble generally is one of the best auto configuration and auto IT management tool here. Generally, today is a very useful and successful tool. And today we are going to discuss about the introduction and the history and why we need and what is the background and what are the architecture of Ensemble and how it work it for finish a practical task in IT industry. Generally, Ensemble have the capable that is it can deploy in software on various servers at time without human intervention here. And these are helpful for the IT professionals also, and there is no much update also needed here, all are automatic here, and there is no programming knowledge needed for user also here, and generally these are developed with the help of Python language. History. So the history is so simple, and the aim of the tool is always simplify and streamline the management and automation of confidence tasks across multiple servers here. And these are Ensemble later started developing with the help of Red Hat Linux only. And now we'll get the clear information exactly what is Ensemble. We can say Ensemble is an automation IT automation tool and configuration management tool, always helpful to configure systems and deploy any kind of applications and orchestrate the workflows without installing special agents on our target missions here. And why so far this Ensemble recording? Because these are helpful to configure multiple server at once only and install software automatically and deploy applications repeatedly and safely also. And moreover, helpful to automate DevOps plus cloud plus Kubernetes task also. Apart from this, one of the special thing of Ensemble is it uses SSH Linux and followed by WinRAM, that is WinRM Windows also. So this is the general architecture of how Ensemble works. Generally, it consists of a control node followed by SSH and followed by the remote nodes here. So everything important and these are useful also. So once come to the point of how it works and support the practical task means you can say these are can easily work with Linux systems and also can able to handle both Microsoft setups and the Unix also. Apart from this, it uses always a very simple language where helpful to describe system configurations. And this is the architecture. So once come to the time of Ensemble architecture, it follow the OAML notebook here. Later, if you have time to discuss, here we are users and Ensemble playbook is there and Ensemble automation consists by inventory, models, API, plugins also, and followed by public or private cloud and CMDB is a database there. And these are the network nodes and hosts is there. These are the general architecture for Ensemble here. So control node. So as of you know, it's one of the straightforward design. Here, control node is there is the one where Ansible lives and operates easily here, and where we can use and run the playbooks easily here, and manage nodes here. The devices and servers are considered as managed nodes, and it uses the SSH for Linux or Unix systems. Then inventory. So this is one of the fundamental part and says and gives a list of all managed nodes where can easily automate the task here. And modules, these are the fundamental blocks of what Ensemble can do in sequence order. And playbacks there is a very important because these also helpful to make Ensemble automation work here. And also these are rewritten with the help of OAML language and are very easy to write and read also. And then this also is the variables and templates that allow for more complex automation here. So these are the general information about what is Ensemble and why we need Ensemble in the introduction. and architecture also. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you. If you like the channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.